Hello students, this is 12th standard chemistry, oxidation of alcohol. So what is oxidation? First the information, the primary alcohol it is converted to aldehyde and the aldehyde is converted to acid. This is a shortcut method for the oxidation of alcohol. So here the secondary alcohol it is oxidized to ketone and ketone it is further oxidized to carboxylic acid. So many catalysts we can convert the primary alcohol to acid and secondary alcohol to acid. Now the acidified sodium dichromate, this is acidified sodium dichromate, so it is oxidized the primary alcohol to ethanoic acid. Okay, here the main important thing is the CH2OH group. The CH2OH group, as per this rule, first it is converted to aldehyde and it is further oxidized to COOH. Okay, so this is a secondary alcohol, and the secondary alcohol, when it react with the acidified sodium dichromate, these two hydrogen has been removed. Okay, so this two hydrogen has been removed, the double bond is created between the carbon and oxygen, it is converted to ketone. When ketone react with the acidified sodium dichromate, it is converted to acetic acid. So here primary alcohol to acid, secondary alcohol to acid. Here the intermediate is the aldehyde, here the intermediate is the ketone. So you can use the another catalyst, that is a PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. The work of this catalyst, it convert the primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. It is not proceed the further, it is converted to acid. So இது aldehyde நிறுத்திடும், இது secondary alcohol ketone நிறுத்திடும். For example, propane 1-ol. So if you are using propane 1-ol, if you are using the catalyst pyridinium chlorochromate, it stops the reaction up to the stage of aldehyde. It will not proceed further. Okay.